I've had this magnifier lamp sitting on the side of my table for a few months now. It's one of the common magnifiers you can get from a Michaels or Joann store. The included plastic table clamp is especially flimsy and rendered the lamp completely unusable. I have had great success in reusing old engine flywheels as table bases for my Luxa architecture lamps. The one hurdle is that engine flywheels have tapered bores with a keyway, so you can't just plop in the lamp and use it as it is. There's also that obvious difference in inner diameter. Luckily, I had several brass scraps floating around to use as an insert. The good old South Bend lathe made quick work for this task. I mounted the brass scrap in a 3-jaw chuck and centered it. After a few taps and a check with a dial indicator, I was off and running. About a thou out. I engaged the bed auto feed and slowly adjusted the tool post feed. I took the trial and error approach because I did not know the taper angle of the flywheel inner bore. The workpiece did not have to be precise by any means, it just had to fit. The flywheel easily fit in the 9-inch swing of the lathe, making testing a piece of cake. After a few test fits, I mounted a drill bit in the tailstock and center drilled the brass adapter. Fits like a glove. Overall, I'm very happy with the end result. The South Bend lathe saved the day again.